to the IKEA Plan and Order Shop store opening here in Trinoma.
I'm excited for everyone who lives on this side of Metro Manila because now it's easier for them to order their favorite items from IKEA.
It was kind of fun to just look around and see what I would need or want. It's very exciting that I'm actually the first customer.
Here at IKEA Plan and Order Shop, you can plan, you can order, you can shop the full IKEA range in a 400 square meter store.
This new format reflects a shared vision between Ayala Malls and IKEA to create spaces that are innovative, inclusive, and customer-centric.
IKEA is a company with strong values and principles. IKEA wants to make a difference, just like Sweden as a country.
This is the most democratic brand I know. All sectors love IKEA. Thank you for making my dream come true.
I cannot be more proud of all of you today. Thank you so much. You guys will rock today onwards. Well done. Kayaya Nathan To.
Together, we will break new ground. Together, let's make home count.
Super happy na may malapit na branch na mapupuntahan ko anytime.
Nasa loob na ng mall, so very convenient.
I'm so happy that IKEA is now here in Quezon City.
Kayo po ay pumunta, tumindig at gumastos sa IKEA.
IKEA is now in Quezon City!
Wow!